Yeah, let's do this. Eileen's Dream from CAO. Small little cigar. Oh, hello, little birdie. And is there 2 birdies on there? They're making love. Making babies. Thank you, Double L Pipe. So, I come out here a lot. It just never gets old. I don't know if you get to hear that or not, but we'll see when I get back in. This beach has been probably the best thing that could ever have happened to me 3 years ago. The amount of times that I walked down to that fishing pier and back, and then turned it into twice, and 3 years later I'm back into having to do it again because my leg is stronger and I need to lose weight and I need to get into a regimen. The problem is we still have about a month and a half worth of cold fucking weather to get through. And it's not a comfortable walk on the beach in the cold because you get wind straight off the water, and it could be quiet as quiet could be in the front of my house. Come out here and it's, you know, a massacre of wind. And it could be 10 degrees colder out here, or at least the feeling of it because of the wind chill and the moisture. So hopefully this year I'll get a little bit more out here, find my way a little bit more in YouTube. I've been thinking about the Shed Happens storytelling, and I think I could do a beach one too, and different times of the year I can do different things to keep myself entertained. Never gets old. You know, we'll see. I feel like this is going to be a good big year for me to be able to lose some weight. Might do some weight loss videos out here on the beach. You ever get a chance to live by water, you're moving, you don't know really where to move to, rent a house at the beach for a year. Hey, look, there's a fishing boat, if you can see that. Fishing meaning probably a crab boat. Embrace the suck.